everyone, Dave here. This is a new recipe that I'm trying. It's chili pizza. If you've got some leftover chili like I have here, I made a big batch there a few nights ago and discovered that chili left over can be made into a delicious pizza. So we're going to give it a try. 2 cups of chili on each 12-inch pizza. I'll have all the ingredients and recipe in this video to share with you, and toppings of choice, whatever you prefer. I'm going to be using red onion, green pepper, and banana peppers, and sour cream will be used with the final the finished product. So stay tuned. Welcome back. Here's the finished product. Here are the 2 pizzas, chili pizzas, I might add. Instead of using spaghetti sauce, I used chili, leftover chili. Choose your toppings of choice, whatever you prefer. You can put them on before you put them in the oven, or you can put them on after. So here's the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoy. It is a tasty, tasty chili pizza. Serve with whatever toppings, whatever you desire. I will be using sour cream and chives. As always, take care.